Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not opening on Telegram. To know how to fix or how to solve not opening on Telegram, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you'll enter to the window of Telegram and you can click here in this page. Then this list of app info, we click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Then you can go to Play Store and you can search about Telegram app. If you'll find your update in this blue sign, you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us, bell like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.